This is a 2008 Infiniti G35. This car has a 5-speed automatic transmission and a 3.5-liter V6. Its top features include a double wishbone independent front suspension, traction control and stability control systems, aluminum wheels, and a tire pressure monitoring system. The following features are also included: dual power seats, air conditioning with automatic climate control, cruise control, a 6-speaker audio system, leather seats, a 4-wheel independent suspension, a security system, an anti-lock braking system, full power accessories, and this vehicle has less than 75,000 miles. Stop by today and test drive this vehicle for yourself.
Joe Machens Capital City Ford Lincoln is dedicated to doing everything possible to ensure that the experience you have selecting your next vehicle is as pleasant as possible. We're located at 807 Southwest Boulevard in Jefferson City.